Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube. And here I am with another video today, and we have another addition to our affordable versus expensive makeup. And this time I have these two powders with me. So we have a powder whose mini, which is literally 3.4 grams and retails for 2,750 rupees, versus this product which is 9 grams and retails for 1099 rupees. So I'm talking about Verified's IRL Paris filter, and I am talking about Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless powder in the shade Fair Medium. So these two products are what we are going to be testing in this video. अगर आप देखोगे दोनों प्रोडक्ट, अगर आप देखने जाओगे तो लिटरली सेम लगेंगे. दोनों प्रोडक्ट लुक में सेम लगते हैं. ऑब्वियसली मैं ये काफी टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ, सो आई हैव हिट पैन इन दिस वन. So as you can see, my base makeup is already on. I just have cream products on my face. I don't have any powder product like the blush, contour, whatsoever. Everything is cream at this point because I did not wanted any other product to interfere with their formula. So I have not applied any product. Rather, will apply on top of this to understand actually how other products perform on top of these. So I have my Charlotte Tilbury, I have my Verified's IRL, and we are going to compare them side by side. So first stage of comparison is going to be application and seeing them how they look immediately after application. So let's start. So on the right side of my face, I'm going to have this Charlotte Tilbury powder, airbrush powder, and this is the packaging. This is how it looks like. It comes with this very tiny mirror, and this is the amount of product. We have got 3.4 gram of product at 2,750 rupees. And now let's put it on our face. As you can see, it does not come with an applicator. So I have this sponge with me, which I'm going to use. I'm going to pick up little product from here. And this is how it is looking on the sponge. It's very white. And now I'm going to apply it on my under eyes, and I'm going to show you. I have brought you really close so that you can clearly see how it looks like. Now this is how it looks immediately after application. This side I have Charlotte Tilbury, this side I don't have anything. And at this point, this is how it is looking. It has definitely brightened my under eyes, but I think it's looking a little powdery for me. But we'll do the Verified side and then judge things, I think. And now coming to the Verified side, as you can see, the product we get here is actually 9 grams of product, and we get a good quality mirror, which is really you can really see into it and do things. And if you can see, I have already hit pan on this one. So I've been using this for quite some time, and now again this also comes with a Verified sponge. So application wise, you don't have to think what to do. And now I am picking up the product on sponge. This is how the product looks like. This also looks a little white, but it is little less white compared to the Charlotte one. And now let's apply it on the other side of the face. And this is how both sides of my face is looking. So if you see, Charlotte Tilbury side is definitely more bright compared to the Verified side. But in real life, like on camera, it is looking bright and it is looking good. But in real life, I think Charlotte Tilbury side is looking little white, okay, compared to the Verified one. Verified one is very translucent and skin-like, whereas Charlotte Tilbury is giving little whitish kind of on your face. So in real life, it's not looking very flaunting. But blur-wise also, I think Verified side is looking more blur and more evened out. Because of the whitishness of the Charlotte Tilbury, it's not looking as blur. Like this area of my face is looking little extra white, and it is also enhancing the pores, visibility of pores for me. And this is how it is looking. Now let's layer our powder products on top of this and see what we think. And for powder blush, I am using this Milani in the shade Luminoso. ये one of my favorite blushes है, and I know that this looks really good and this works really well with everything. So I'm going to pick this up on a powder brush, and let's apply it. So it layered like very effortlessly with Charlotte Tilbury side. मतलब मुझे लिटरली इसको ब्लेंड करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. यूजुअली जब मैं इसको लगाती हूँ थोड़ा सा ब्लेंडिंग तो लगती है ना किसी भी ब्लश को, बट इस साइड पे ऐसा हो गया मुझे ब्लेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी एंड इट ब्लेंडेड like a dream. It's looking really pretty on Charlotte Tilbury side. Very, very nice. And now let's do the other side. Here also, wow. Is this the blush or the powder? But on both sides, the products are layering very effortlessly. On both sides, the powder blushes set very evenly. There was no problem whatsoever when it came to blending of the blush. Both sides is looking very, very nice. You can't really make out the difference when it comes to blending of blushes. And now I'll do the contour and rest. I'll do the powdering of rest of my face and I'll be right back. And now I have layered the powder products. I have my contour on face. I have my powder blush on place. And these both have really nicely evened out my concealer. Like on top of the K-Beauty concealer, they have both placed very nicely. And my concealer is also looking very nice. It has not creased at all like Charlotte Tilbury. बिल्कुल creasing नहीं हुई and this side भी बिल्कुल creasing नहीं हुई है. So I like that. And now I'm going to go with my PAC Micro Fixer and I'm going to spray this on my face so that all the powder melts into the skin and then we'll see how it performs. The mist of this one is really, really fine. And that is why I know that the setting spray is good. So and now I'm getting extremely close to the camera. Please don't mind the unflattering angles because I want you to see in real life how it is looking. Both of them have performed equally well. इनके ऊपर मैंने setting spray लगाई है, दोनों में से कोई भी break नहीं हुआ है if you see, and they are looking like really nice. Both of them have blurred out my pores really well at this point. And now I'm going to do my eyes and everything so that इसको कुछ 1 घंटा वगैरह मिल जाए दोनों पाउडर्स को सेट होने के लिए, और फिर हम 1 घंटे के बाद चेकिंग करते हैं to see how they are looking. And guys, this is how it is looking. मैंने लास्ट जो चेक इन किया था वो 1:30 बजे 1:30 के आसपास था. अभी 4 o'clock हो रहे हैं. So it's like almost 2.5 hours. And this is how my Charlotte Tilbury side is looking and this is how my verified side is looking. अगर मैं आपको रियल लाइफ में बताऊं कि मुझे कैसा लग रहा है, लिटरली पोर्स तो बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहे हैं. अगर आप देखोगे बहुत स्मूथ स्किन दिख रही है, रियली नाइस एंड क्लीन. Charlotte Tilbury साइड आई थिंक थोड़ा सा ग्लोई ज्यादा लग रहा है बिकॉज मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि वो वाइट है, तो ये साइड थोड़ा सा ग्लोई लग रहा है अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो. And this is my verified side which looks nice, matte and blurred out. तो अगर आपको थोड़ा सा glowy effect चाहिए, I think Charlotte Tilbury does that. But verified, other than having that glow, I think both of them are looking pretty similar to each other. पहले मुझे Charlotte Tilbury side थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा bright लग रहा था, but right now both of them are looking pretty similar. मेरे creasing बिल्कुल नहीं हुई है दोनों sides पे and काफ़ी even लग रहे हैं. And अगर मैं इस पॉइंट पे बोलूँ तो मुझे दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. हाय गाइज, दिस इज 7:30 राइट नाउ एंड हमने लास्ट चेक इन 4 o'clock को किया था. 5, 6, 7, 7:30 3.5 hours हो गए हैं. एंड सो बेसिकली ओवरऑल मुझे 1 से लेके 7 तो ऑलमोस्ट 6 hours के बाद में चेक इन कर रही हूँ. एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई फाइनल चेक इन वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट आई थिंक अबाउट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. दिस इज हाउ बोथ द साइड्स आर लुकिंग. ब्लर तो लग रहे हैं दोनों साइड, कोई डाउट नहीं है. Charlotte Tilbury side is little more oily compared to the verified side. Verified side पे इनफैक्ट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऑयल ना के बराबर ही है आफ्टर 6 hours. बट यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा ग्लोई था ना, तो यहाँ पे इन दिस एरिया वेर आई यूजुअली गेट ऑयली, वहाँ पे ऑयल आया है. अंडर माई आईज बोथ द पाउडर्स आर स्टिल वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. बिल्कुल क्रीसिंग नहीं हुई है अभी तक. मेरा मेकअप भी ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है. माई कंसीलर इज वेरी मच ऑन प्लेस. इनफैक्ट एवरीथिंग इज ऑन प्लेस. वॉट इज ब्रेकिंग द डील फॉर मी इज कि Charlotte Tilbury साइड थोड़ी ज्यादा शाइनी लग रही है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा ऑयल आ गया स्किन पे, वेयर एज वेरीफाइड साइड इज नॉट डूइंग दैट. एंड नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर फाइनल वर्डिक्ट, क्योंकि आज मैंने बताया कि ये मेरा लास्ट चेक इन है जो हमने 6 hour टेस्ट किया है For both of these, I think what stands out for me is definitely the verified one. अगर आप dry skin family से हो, शायद आपको airbrush powder ज़्यादा पसंद आए because it has that sheen glow on it, जो थोड़ा सा shiny लगने लगता है on an oily skin. With the kind of price difference they have, if you ask my opinion, I think you can easily go ahead and buy the verified IRL Paris filter and you can just chuck this out, because इतना महंगा प्रोडक्ट लेने के बाद इतना सा प्रोडक्ट मेरे हाथ में आया था, and if it is still not standing out compared to a 1099 rupees वाला प्रोडक्ट, I don't know what the hype is about. By the way, IRL Paris filter by Verified is also available in loose powder. तो अगर आपको कॉम्पैक्ट नहीं पसंद है और लूज पाउडर ज़्यादा पसंद है तो आप वो भी ले सकते हो. I mean, that's a great option, right? And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below. I'll be so happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!